Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Farid.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ijlal and Farid. The HR manager is here. It's good to finally meet you. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Farid. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm very excited about the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your development team.
Excellent. To start, you're currently in the software engineering prep at school. Why did you decide to pursue programming and specifically Laravel at such a young age?
I've always been fascinated by how logic can be used to build something useful. I chose Laravel because it's not just about writing code, it's about structure and efficiency. It teaches me to think systematically. I believe that being a programmer means being a lifelong problem solver, and that's the path I want to take.
That's a mature perspective. Now, let's talk about teamwork. What would you do if you were working on a team project and a fellow developer constantly failed to meet their deadlines?
I believe in proactive communication. First, I'd like to talk to them privately to understand if there's a technical hurdle they are facing. If I can help, I will. However, if it affects the whole project, I suggest we re-evaluate the task distribution as a team. My priority is ensuring the final product is delivered without compromising quality.
I like that you value both the team and the outcome. Programming can be stressful when a bug just won't go away. How do you maintain your focus and mental clarity during this moment?
When I hit the wall, I find it helpful to take back for a moment. Sometimes, looking at the code with fresh eyes or explaining the logic out loud, what we call rubber ducking, reveals the mistake. I don't see bugs as failures, I see them as puzzles that improve my analytical skills once solved.
Suppose a clean request feature that you know will make the application so insecure. How would you handle that situation?
I would advocate for the long-term health of application. I'd explain to the client, in non-technical terms, the risks involved, such as potential data leaks or poor user experience. Then I would offer a more efficient alternative that still meets their business goals. It's my job to protect the integrity of the software.
Very critical. Now, what is one area you feel you need to improve the most?
Because I'm passionate, I sometimes try to handle too many things at once. I'm currently working on my delegation skills and learning to trust the process more. I've started using task management tools to better organize my workflow and prevent burnout.
Good self-answer. Last question, where do you see yourself contributing most to our company culture?
I bring a mix of technical curiosity and a positive attitude. I'm someone who is eager to learn from seniors, but also willing to share new ideas. I believe a healthy company culture is built on mutual growth and constant learning.
Well, Ijlal, I'm quite impressed with your mindset. You clearly think deeply about your work. Well, be in touch by the end of the week.
Thank you for the insightful conversation, Mr. Farid. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Farid. You're welcome.